Hello and welcome back to St Modwen Homes' YouTube channel. When guests first enter your home, the first impression they get of your interior style is your entryway. If you're looking to create a stylish setup, you're in the right place. In this video, we will share our top tips on how to create a professionally designed entryway so you can make the best first impression and enjoy a chic space in your home. An entryway is a high traffic area, so it's important to remember that your flooring needs to consist of robust materials. Consider wooden flooring for a rustic feel, tile floors for a more chic Mediterranean look, or carpeting if you want to make things more cosy. To add layers to your flooring, consider adding a woven rug underfoot or an elongated runner for lengthy hallways. Rugs can make a space feel snug and stylish, creating a homely atmosphere through texture and colour. In smaller spaces, downlighting, better known as ceiling lighting, can be harsh and may look clinical. To create a more welcoming atmosphere, try layering your lighting. Place wall lighting near the front door for practicality, a lamp on a sideboard or shelf, and a floor lamp placed stylishly in the corner. We love to opt for warm toned bulbs for a cosy atmosphere, and white tones if you're looking for a more striking modern aesthetic. And whatever your style, if you can, choose an LED light bulb for the best efficiency. When you enter your home, you most likely dump what's in your hands onto the nearest surface and move on to other tasks. So to reduce clutter, do yourself a favour and add in some stylish storage to your entryway. A sideboard or slimline side table often works well, especially if there are drawers or cupboards to keep coats, bags and shoes inside. A floating shelf or wall hook is a great place to keep your keys or lanyards. These practical pieces ensure your entryway stays clutter-free and organised while still being practical and functional. It's important to remember that your new home isn't a show home, it's yours. Often, new homeowners try to create perfect spaces that look faultless, but without a little heart, a space can feel lifeless and empty, and the same applies to the entryway too. Therefore, we want to see some personalisation. Whether that's hanging family photos on a feature wall display, displaying mementos or trinkets from your holidays or adventures, or adding accessories that reflect your hobbies, a house simply isn't a home without a personal touch. So there you have it. There are some tips on how to create the perfectly designed entryway. All that's left to do is settle on your design. Still looking for your dream home? To find out any further information on us and our available homes, please click the link in our description below.